Hello and welcome to Online Appliance Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to put this newer model Whirlpool top load washer into diagnostic mode. If your model starts with this video is for you. Watch to the end because I'm going to show you more than just diagnostic mode, how to pull up error codes, what they mean, and so forth. So yeah, this is a 2-in-1 agitator, fairly new model. Here's the model number if you need to find parts for this. So what you're going to do is hold the start button. You're going to rotate the knob couple times towards its left to reset it. Then you go left, right, 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 left, right, and let go of the start button. Then it will start to blink. Then you're going to turn your knob once to the right to cycle complete. Then hit the start button. Then you'll just rotate the knob towards its right once. Then you'll pull up your first error code. As you can see here, the field sensing LED light is eliminated, also the spin. So this means F2. So let's go to the second one. So now we have the cycle complete or done lit up. So E1, so we have F2 E1. But don't worry, at the end of the video I'll show you exactly what all these codes mean. So let's go to the next error code. Turn the knob. So we have the field sensing eliminated, also with spin and done. So you add the 2 to 1 together, that would make this error code F3. Then the second sequence when it blinks is E1, since we have E and then done LED eliminated, that's E1. So F3 E1. That's the second error code. So basically what I'd like to do is put all the error codes together once I get them all and see if I can see some type of sequence so I can figure out what the issue is. So let's turn the knob once for the next error code. We have F1, the spin sensing is eliminated in the done, so that's F1. And the next LED light is E1, since the done is eliminated, and we have the, so E1, so F1 E1. So that's the third error code. So this is basically giving you a good idea of how to pull up all the error codes. Here soon I'll give you the chart. Okay, let's turn the knob for the next error code. And as you can see, we have F8. So we have the field sensing lit up, and we have the wash eliminated, so that's F8. And the second error code will be E1, since we have the done lit up. So we have F8 E1. So once you turn your knob and all the LED lights are eliminated again, that means that's all the error codes. So just hold the start button to get out of diagnostic mode. And that's it. And here's a better close-up view of the chart so you can take a screenshot if needed. So here's one thing I like to do. I like to put all the error codes together. So I'll take my list here of error codes, and then I'll go one by one to see if they kind of go together. So let's look at this as if I was on the job diagnosing this issue. The problem with this washer is it just keeps on wanting to drain the water out, even though the water is out of the tub. So basically if you plug it in, it'll just keep on running and running and running. So if you're having this problem, this may fix your issue. So if you're getting these error codes too, more likely this is going to be your issue. So F2E1 stands for stuck button. I really don't think that's never the issue. That's just a common code. Then we have F3E1. F3E1 is a pressure sensor fault, meaning it thinks it still has water in the tub after it drains all the water out, which is kind of the issue we're having. So then we have E1, make control board fault, which kind of makes sense if the machine thinks it still has water in the tub because the pressure switch tube connects to the main control board. Then you have F8E1, which is long fill. Doesn't mean long fill, it just means the pressure is not sensing correctly. So those three actually go together. So seeing the error codes I have here, the pressure sensor fault, main control board, long fill, the one thing I would check is to make sure the tube that comes from the tub to the main control board is not kinked. If that is not kinked or cut, more likely it's going to be your main control board. And to be honest with you, most of the time it is the main control board. So not saying this is a guarantee, but this is what I would replace if I was a tech on this job. If you need appliance parts for a repair, Online Appliance Parts Hub offers OEM-compatible components for major brands with fast US shipping. Check the description below for the link. So now I'm going to show you how to put this into automatic test mode. So we'll put the machine in diagnostic mode, which I'll show you in a minute, and then you'll turn the knob clockwise until you highlight the done or cycle complete button. So let me give you a close-up of the chart once again. Right here, the automatic test mode, as you can see, and you have a couple other tests like how to pull up your fault codes, calibration if you want to calibrate it, just eliminate the light, hit the start button. I wouldn't mess with the UI test mode or manual test mode. You could do that one, but you basically have to have the list of which way or which light you have to eliminate to test that. Dry factory diagnosis is basically spin, so if you want to test the spin, you can eliminate those lights and hit the start. That's pretty much it with that. That's all I would mess with this list myself, unless you're an experienced tech. So now once again, I'm going to show you how to put in diagnostic. You hold the start button, turn counterclockwise a couple times to reset. You're going to turn left, right, 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 left, right, let go of the start button. Then we're in diagnostic mode. Then you can go by that chart and basically select the test that you want to activate. If you need appliance parts for a repair, Online Appliance Parts Hub offers OEM-compatible components for major brands with fast US shipping. Check the description below for the link. Well, I hope this video was helpful. If you can just do me one big favor, hit that like button. That would help spread this video and help others and help the channel. If you have any questions regarding this repair, basic questions, you can leave in comments below. And if you need more additional help, just check out our Patreon, which you can find in our links in our YouTube channel or also in the description below. Well, thank you for watching and have a good day.